Hello, word listeners. Welcome back. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving deep into a word that describes a very important quality, cautious. It's a C1 level adjective, meaning careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. So, being cautious means you're proceeding with care, thinking about the possible risks involved. Think of it as looking both ways before you cross the street, even if the light is green. That's being cautious. Now, let's break down how we use cautious in everyday language. You might say, she's a very cautious driver, meaning she always drives safely and defensively. Or, investors are cautious about putting money into new tech startups, indicating they're wary of the risks involved. It's all about being aware of potential pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them. Let's explore some synonyms for cautious. A close synonym is careful. For instance, instead of saying he was cautious when handling the fragile vase, you could say he was careful when handling the fragile vase. Both convey the same sense of paying close attention to avoid damage. Another synonym is prudent. You might hear, it's prudent to save money for retirement, which means it's wise and cautious to plan for the future. Consider this sentence. She gave a cautious reply. Here, circumspect is a good synonym. She gave a circumspect reply. Or consider wary. If you're wary of something, you are cautious. For example, I am wary of online scams. Also, we can use vigilant, which means to be alert and watchful, very close to cautious in many contexts. Security guards need to be vigilant. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that mean the opposite of cautious. The most obvious one is careless. If someone is careless, they're not paying attention to risks. An example would be, he was careless and spilled coffee on the keyboard. Another antonym is reckless. Being reckless is even more extreme than being careless. It means acting without any regard for potential consequences. You might say, driving under the influence of alcohol is reckless. Another antonym is rash, implying hasty and ill-considered actions. Instead of she made a cautious decision, you might say she made a rash decision. A fourth antonym is imprudent. While prudent is a synonym of cautious, imprudent is the opposite. It would be imprudent to go swimming right after eating. We can also use audacious. Someone who is bold, sometimes to the point of being reckless, is audacious. He was audacious to make such a risky investment. So, how can you use cautious in your everyday life? Well, you can use it to describe your own behavior or the behavior of others. For example, I'm being cautious about accepting that job offer because the company is so new. Or, the government is taking a cautious approach to lifting restrictions. You might hear it in expressions like, proceed with caution, which is a common warning sign indicating that there might be dangers ahead. Other common expressions include a cautious estimate, meaning a deliberately low prediction, or a cautious manner, to describe someone's reserved behavior. Here are some more examples of cautious in sentences and phrases. The hiker was cautious when crossing the stream. She adopted a cautious approach to the problem. They remained cautious despite the positive news. Be cautious of strangers offering unsolicited advice. The doctor recommended a cautious course of treatment. He is a cautious investor. We need to be cautious about sharing personal information online. A cautious driver is a safe driver. The cat was cautious when approaching the dog. The scientist took a cautious approach to the experiment. She gave a cautious nod. He expressed cautious optimism. I'm cautious about eating street food in a foreign country. The company is cautious about expanding too quickly. So, to recap, cautious is a C1 level adjective meaning careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. Synonyms include careful, prudent, wary, vigilant, and circumspect, while antonyms include careless, reckless, rash, imprudent, and audacious. It's a valuable word to have in your vocabulary for expressing awareness of risks and the importance of taking precautions. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover our show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word cautious and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy learning, everyone!